Our soft mask opens it up like this. Now we're going to install the soft cloth. From the middle here, go through. Let's use the thick end, go through this rubber band, and then we fix it here. At this point we have completed this step. When you're all done, take out our hoop. This side is facing out, and then this side is facing in. Angle the hoop to the stick, get him in there first. Now we're going to install this soft cloth. One large, one small tube. Let's take out small soft cloth, yes, with buttons. This button corresponds to each of them, each of these rubber bands. We are going to stick it in like this. This is the one we set up, what it looks like after the little soft mask. And then we are going to take out a big one. Big ones open like this, then take the big one and it has two sides. You just go round and round and round. Stick as close to the inner layer as possible. Move on to the final step. Take out our grill. The two angles correspond to each other. All have been installed. Now let's do the reverse. I'm going to close it all up. Okay, so this is what we look like when we are all okay.